That's not the full impact of the afterburner. It's just a little effect that he can do. That's a little more for the afterburner, but not at full engine power. I will guarantee you that you will see this thing do 300 miles an hour before the chutes come out here this afternoon, at least. We don't have the speed gun on it, but trust me, it doesn't ever go any slower than that. The thing about it is, being Ford just drive, it takes a little while for it to build up to its maximum speed. But about the last second or so of the run, the thing is... Guys, the fire truck are going, hey, there's something we can put out. I don't think so. See, this is when you're going out to the mall or like the supermarket, you want to get a parking spot. Okay, I think we're getting ready out here. Well, let's light her up one more time. Shut off the flames on the brake settings and get ready to roll. Okay, y'all are going to roll it quick. Up she comes. Couple of steps to the afterburner. Ladies and gentlemen, Scott Shockley and the Super Shockwave Jet Truck.